Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope my sound is clear. Today is 14th of May, Friday, and time is GMT plus 5. It's 12:35, and I have got a lot of comments on the price prediction as this person, this one, TLM by Zagrula, Call, Romuloza, and many other people you see here wants me to predict the price of TLM. So I've got a lot of requests about the TLM prices here. So you see here. So yesterday it was Eid al-Fitr, so that's why I wasn't able to make any video. I was busy. So now I'm back today. I'm not feeling good, but I got a lot of comments on the TLM, so I'm back with the video of TLM USDT pair. And the reason why this chart always resets because it's not on the trading view. Whenever I save a chart here on the trading view, it always gets saved, okay? But here, whenever you have to open the chart on the exchange, the settings are not saved. So I have to restart the work from the beginning. I have to draw the resistance, supports, and many other things. So today I'm gonna again do the TLM analysis with the beginning, like you can say that from the start. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw some levels because I have to draw from the beginning due to the exchange don't save the chart. So I'm gonna start with drawing the support and resistance zones here. Let's just see here. So here you can see we have drawn a resistance level here at 0.88. So oh, so what is going to be, you have to watch the full video in order to get the analysis right. Okay, so I'm gonna draw the, why I have drawn this zone, because this one and this one is, I'm gonna name it as the daily resistance. Okay, I'm gonna name it daily resistance. That would be good. I'm gonna make it on the top. That would be good, and the white text would be good as well. Okay, and this right on the right side. Okay, daily resistance. Okay, okay guys, this one is a daily resistance. I'm gonna make it white as well, this one as well. So this is the main resistance right now, and down there if we go, I'm gonna also draw another daily support here, and I'm gonna make it aerial, oh, sorry, aerial. That would be 24 volt, and DEX color will be white on the right side, on the okay bottom. Okay, it hasn't saved. I don't know why it has not saved. Why is it not saving? I'm gonna make it white, and the text alignment should be on the top, the left, center. Don't know why is it not saving. Okay, the text, show text. Okay, that's it. So that's a daily spot. Okay, we've got two zones here. We've got daily resistance here at 0.01 and the daily spot here at 3.9. So right now the price is fluctuating. Here you see a retest on this level and got rejected. If we'll take a look at here, 0.45 here, the price got rejected. It shows that this is a key level. And if we go back here, you see a rejection from this area, a rejection from this area, then candle couldn't close above here, a rejection. Once we pass through this level, we are up. So what I call this one is to be an important zone. I'm gonna make this one, I don't know if we got some price tags here. There should be price tags, don't know. Yeah, price label here, this would be a good price label. I'm gonna make it bigger so you guys can easily read out. I'm gonna make it yellow would be good, and the text would be white one. Don't know, is it going good? Okay, this one, and I'm gonna make another price tag here at this level. So these two are very important key levels. Okay, I'm gonna make it towards the downside. Would be, don't know. Okay, that would be good. Okay, I'm gonna make it here. This one is, yeah, 0.45, 0.45 and 0.88. These are the good key levels, support or resistance. Now if we further draw another zone here, that would be the lowest point. I'm gonna make it yellow, and that the swing high. This is the swing low, this is the swing high of the bottom, you can call this one. And if I go in here, let me zoom in a bit. Yeah, let me zoom in a bit. That would be okay. So these two are another daily zones. Okay, I'm not going to write down anything. Now what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go down to the 8-hour time frame. I'm gonna look out for another zone. What zones should we be looking forward? And here we have this zone as a, we have found another zone on the 8-hour chart here. I'm gonna make it, this one would be good, and this one would be, yeah, I'm gonna make it 8 hour. I'm gonna make it, guys, I'm very disappointed with this exchange scenarios. Okay, this is an 8-hour zone. Okay, this is a very important zone here. This one's, I'm gonna label the price here as well. This one, let me change the color of it. I'm thinking that this is not a good color, and let's draw, make it black. Yeah, that would be good. Let me also make it black. Yeah, this one's good, so you can easily understand the price. So 0.41 is also another 0. Yeah, this one. So here the 0.4134 is now a resistance, a local resistance here. If we look at, if we go back in the history, you see the price came down here, went up, rejected from this level, then went up, rejected from this, as this is the major zone. Okay, you can call this is a major resistance, this is a minor resistance, this is a minor resistance. Major one is hard to break, minor one is easy to break. Just keep that in your mind. Okay, so if we take a look here, the price is down and testing. I'm gonna draw this level soon, but for now just bear with me. You see here, if we go back here, the price tested this level here. It was testing the level, got rejected once, broke out. This level became the support here. You see a lot of rejections here. If we go back here, the price came down, tested this level, retested, rejected, retested, rejected, made a swing high here and got rejected. So what I'm assuming that this level 0.431 is important level. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw this zone, the swing. This one would be, yeah, this one is the 8-hour sport here, local sport. You can call this a local sport here. Okay, so, and I'm gonna name the price, I'm gonna call out the price. Okay, here you see this one is also another good zone, good buying zone, this one. Now this is acting as a support, this is acting as a resistance, local resistance, local support. I'm gonna just rename that one so that you guys can easily understand the local resistance here. Yeah, this is a fractal resistance, small resistance. This is the major zone here, this one is a major zone. This one here, this one is a major zone. This one 0.45. If we break out this one, the price is gonna move up. So right now I'm making this video a detailed video so it shows you guys can easily understand what price can do. And right now this one is another zone here, 0.31. If I draw this here, this is an important zone. This is the bottom here. Let me do this again for you guys. This one's, yeah, 0.1940. So these are some zones here. You can keep that in your mind. You know, if we use, it was sport one, when it broke, then this became the next sport, then this became the next sport. Now these two are another sport levels. So you have to watch out. If we see another dump, we can expect price to move down to the 0.29 level, and price then is going to consolidate here. And if we see another dump, we can further go down to the bottom, which is 0.1940. So you have to watch out for the Bitcoin price and the BTC dominance. For now, what I'm thinking is that price is in consolidation. You see, the price is consolidating here. So I think that price is gonna fluctuate in between 0.4130 to 0.35 until and unless BTC gets stable, because I have a feeling that the BTC is going to dump more. Might be we're gonna see some dump more. So you can prepare yourself for the 0.29 level in the days to come. Because right now, if the price is in consolidation phase, you see, during the consolidation phase, it's very hard to predict that on what side the price is gonna go, whether it's gonna go to this side or to this side. So we have to look for the price of BTC and the Bitcoin dominance and the altcoins dominance. So what I think right now, if if I draw a local, you see, local Fibonacci level, not the bigger scale, but on the local one. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, this one's. If I draw the local Fibonacci level here at this point, and I'm gonna make it, let me just do a little bit settings, not too much here. If I extend the lines and make these zones, well, these are very tough to make, but I'm gonna make, nah, okay, that one is good. So here, if we look at the zone, you see how perfectly this zone 0.16 is a major, you see, major daily support. You see how perfectly it is aligned, so this is 0.4556 is a very major resistance right now. If we break out this resistance, then the price is gonna move in the upward direction. Just keep that in your mind, guys. You see, and also you see how perfectly, just look at yourself, guys. 0.786 level has been touched and rejected so perfectly here. This one, so perfectly. Okay, so that is the current scenario, guys. So that price is in consolidation phase. And why consolidation phase? Because we are in between these two zones of Fibonacci level, 0.618, 0.786, and we need to break out. We need a breakout either on the upside or on the downside. So once we break this resistance 0.4556, then we are going on the next level. That would be this one, 0.55, and the price then moves on to the next level on. If I draw this one here, this one will be good, this one is also a good spot, and this one would be, that's the price levels. You see, that's the price levels for now. So the current scenario would be, if that is going to be the last one, if BTC dumps, okay, if BTC dumps, we might see a test here at this level. Okay, at this level here, we might see a test at this level. Okay, if it further falls down, then we might see a retest here as well, 0.194. okay, but if the price gets stable, the BTC gets stable and also gonna pump, then we surely going to test this level, which is 0.4556, and with the good volume we can break through. Then we can have a good rejection at this level, and then we are gonna consolidate here, and from there we can also make a new test at this level, then consolidation here, then a next price breakout, consolidation here, then a next price breakout, consolidation here. Okay, so this is how the price moves in a parabolic direction. Or also you can say the next scenario could be, if I move down like this one, the price is gonna move up, consolidate here, price is gonna move up, then a retest here, consolidation, move up, next swing high. Okay, came down, consolidation here, move up. This is, so these are two patterns. That's how the price goes on and moves on. So right now, what is the current scenario, guys? The current scenario is the price needs to break out this zone, which is 0.4556, in order the price to move up. So you can place your buy orders near somewhere 0.358 or 2829. If you want to place a limit order, you can place some limit orders here in case the BTC dumps. So this is the current scenario, guys. This is the current scenario of TLM price prediction. If you have got any further questions, you can ask me in the comment section, guys. That's it for now. Take care. Bye.